Let's talk about marketing research. Marketing research is all about gathering, recording, and analyzing data and producing some insights. Now, this data can be of different types. This data largely is around demographics in terms of the population that you are talking about, or your market or your target segments that you're talking about. It can be in terms of social and cultural information. It can be in terms of around nature, around natural concerns. It can be about around the economics. How is the economy doing? What are the income levels? Is the economy going up or down? It can be data can be around technologies. What are the technological aspects? The data can be around political and legal aspects of a particular market, or the data can be around the competition about your competitive landscape. So those are the various types of data that you can collect. And as we said, marketing is a gathering, recording, and analyzing of data to arrive at insight. So what is the process of marketing research? It starts with problem definition. You always start with what is the problem that you are addressing. The next step is you design the research and your sampling plan. So what kind of research do you want to do? Do you want to do an experiment, or do you want to do a survey? Do you want to do an observation-based study, or you want to do a case study or an ethnographic study? So those are the decisions you need to take depending on what suits your scenario the best. Another decision you need to take here is about your sampling strategy. So what kind of samples you want to go for? What is the sampling size that you're looking at? What is the method of sampling that you want to look at? So that is the phase when you are actually building a plan of how you want to execute the research. And what are the last thing that you do in this planning phase is to identify what are going to be your data sources. Right? Remember, are we looking at primary data? Are we looking at secondary data? Are we looking at some online sources? So all of those go into your planning of your research design. Now, the next step is obviously executing that research plan. So now you start collecting data, whether through observations, through telephonic, through online, email, or face-to-face. Depends on whatever you have chosen in your research plan. You go about executing a research plan and collecting that information, data that you're looking at. Now, once you've collected data, the logical next step is you start working on your data. You start with data cleaning, then you start analyzing data, then you start measuring and coming up with insights that you're looking for, and finally you cull those insights, come up with recommendations, and then present it to the stakeholders who were posed that problem to start with, so that now you can help them in solving that problem or in working on some opportunity that they're looking at. So that's the overall process of a marketing research exercise.